Hello friends, welcome to Archid Stock Business News. Friends, little time taken to give this video that going forward how Infosys will act. So friends, as we expected, Infosys announced 2750, but I expected like 2650 is okay, but it given higher values, but they given low value only 9200 crores. This is a small amount compared to their capital, which crosses like 1 lakh crores. So friends, see here, the company also announced five final dividend 15 rupees per share, and which crosses 1 lakh crores in revenue in financial year 2021. And friends, going forward, Infosys, India's second largest telecom technology company, reported 17% year-on-year growth. It is very good thing, and 5,778 crores is the net profit, and it posted 4,321 crores net profit in the same quarter last year, and so it missed 2% quarter to quarter, friends, and gross profit for the quarter stood at 9 crores. And friends, revenue for the March quarter grows 13%, 26, and the revenue is constant currency. Friends, for ITs, they calculate constant currency terms, which grows by 9.6 year on year, and this is also we have to notice whenever they announced their results. And going forward, buyback price, which is 25% premium, but it's negligible compared to their overall capital, friends. And if the company announce 15,000 crores, then it will consider a good price, but they announced a little bit less, 9,200 crores. And friends, in the financial year, the landmark year for superior shareholder returns backed by robust operating metric. So they expressed as the company proposes to increase the total dividend per share by 54% over previous year, and the buyback equity of 9,200. See friends, here the past data of the company when they announced their buyback. See here, when first buyback 13,000 crores in 2017. In 2017 itself they announced 13,000 crores. So where they expected very high growth, so they taken huge amount of buyback. And next they taken 2019, it bought back 11 crores shares under 8,260 crores. And friends, now they taken only 9,000. That's my intention, but how the market will react, I don't know. But friends, this is my view, and positive views of the company results are last 5 years the company's revenue crossed 3 times compared with TCS. This is one of the positive thing we can expect, and the attrition rate stood at 15% compared to TCS. It's very low, like 7%. So friends, going forward, we cannot expect, they said we are going to recruit more members in financial year 2022. They mentioned like this. And next friends, see here, going forward, we can expect a good revenue in financial year 2022 with the strong relationship with biggest deals and bigger partners, bigger company partners. And they are recently partnered with one of the company like LivePerson, and that is also very good deal which taken by Infosys. And see friends, they are estimating like 22 to 24 operating margin, and 12 to 14% sales growth in constant currency terms in 2021-2022. So this is what they focused, and the total in total 41% revenue came from digital, friends. they are accelerating clients in digital side. That's why they're mentioning this type of words. They are expecting a huge increase in revenue from digital business. And friends, what other things we missed means uh, the revenue growth I already mentioned, and I everything mentioned detailedly. So friends, that's it from my side. But friends, look at the share value. I am expecting it will move up to 1500, then it will get some selling pressure. So friends, if you like our videos, please subscribe my channel, share my channel friends. Thank you.